Hello my wonderful friends, it's me Sven from the channel BFD Drives, and well, it has been quite a while ago when I was filming from the desk. It's autumn now, so this is happening more often in the future because the classic car show season is almost over when I'm just filming this. Anyway, this here is a parcel that I have received from one of my subscribers. It is, here you can see it, at Wojtek Labuk, or is it Wojtek Labutz? I don't know how to pronounce it. He's a Polish man, so a man from Poland, living in Ireland, and well, he was sending me this little parcel with some cool stuff in it. And well, just to give you a little glimpse, so here are some model cars or toy cars from Hot Wheels that I want to show you. So well, without further yada yada, let me show you what I've got. Now let's start. Let's see what is the first thing that I've got, because he was just sending me some cool Hot Wheels, so you can see it here. So what do we have here? This is a Lamborghini Miura Super Veloce from 1971 in a wonderful black color with some golden details. And yeah, let me open it. And let me show you the model in detail. Oh, and by the way, you also may subscribe to Wojtek Labuk or Wojtek Labutz. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but well, at least you're knowing how to write his name. He is also a fellow collector of die-cast model cars, and of course also such kind of Hot Wheels toy cars, or also you may also call it model cars. Well, let me adjust the camera a little bit. I should have done that earlier, but yeah, here we go. Really a wonderful model, but now it's also time for the next model. Oh yeah, I also have to show it to you. So what is this? It's a new model for 2025. It is this wonderful Bimmer. It's a BMW 635 CSI, and the livery is kind of resembling the John Player Special livery, and it's also suiting very well next to the Miura, because it's almost the same kind of color, if you want to say so. So we have something black with golden details or golden highlights. And there's also something I have to tell you about this certain model. I mean, this one here, of course. So Rob, it's a big cake and some numbers, I've forgotten about that. He was pointing out that this car is very legendary on motor races in Australia. So for them it's a legend. So very cool car. Also loving, of course, the BMW 635 CSI, amazing car. And this one was in Australia. It was winning lots of races until, well, the same thing happened as in Germany about the touring championship. When Audi was getting too good, then they had to remove it from the competition. Oh, and I've almost just opened this one here. Here's another new model for 2025, and you can see it here. This here is an Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super. We have also seen it in this year, this car, at some classic car shows. And here is the little toy car. Also very cool. Loving this car. I'm remembering this car since my childhood. So what else do we have? Oh, we have an Audi. So well, let's put the Alfa away. Let's show you what else I've got? I've got this one, also from Hot Wheels. Audi 90 in the Touring Championship. Audi 90 Quattro. So this is also one of these legends that have been so good in the racing motorsport that they become forbidden because they were too good for that class. About the BMW, I'm remembering that they even have been pushed up to the next league, to the next upper league, and still were winning. And here, well, after the Audi Quattro was too good, they were deciding, yeah, no more Quattro, no more all-wheel drive. And then they were out. But anyway, very cool model. I really like it. So, what else have we got? So, I believe I already have this one, but I can be wrong. But anyway, again, Hot Wheels. And yeah, well, sometimes we are getting the same models ever and ever, just in a recolor. Nah, I'm thinking I'm not having this because it's seeming like, yeah, we have a silver stripe. Definitely I don't have this one. Very cool. This is a Ford Mustang from 1992. So this is the so-called Fox body Mustang. Here we go. Also a very cool model. Well, missing the tempos on the rear end and also on the front, but we have some nice rally stripes, which is also really very cool. So what else do we have? We have still 3 more models. Oh wow, cool. I didn't know that this is already existing. Well, for the moment the restock in my town is very slow, and I have not seen this one here. It's a Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. I've also seen the real car at the Porsche Museum. I'm also thinking about visiting the Porsche Museum during the bad weather time, so in autumn, winter and spring. So maybe I can also show you the real car. Absolutely stunning design. I'm loving it. It's really a very cool car. I also have this one in several different liveries, but I definitely don't have this one. So very cool, very cool. So what else have we got? 2 more to go. Someone is knowing that I'm a Jaguar fan. So here we go, Hot Wheels, and what is it? So what do you think it is? I can tell you it's a Jaguar Mk1, and really have to pronounce it Jaguar, so not Jaguar, like the Americans do. Anyway, no, I also don't have this one, but I'm knowing that I have this casting, but in different colors, not this, what is it? It's kind of a blue. I like these black wheels. They are suiting it all very well. And I'm also remembering that these cars also have been pretty fast. It was the fastest saloon or fastest sedan car in Europe for quite a while. Well, depending of course about the engine, but yeah, it was. So now let's go. Oh my goodness, let's come to the last model. So, well, let's show you. It's one of my top favorite cars in all time, Mercedes-Benz. Oops. Hot Wheels. Oh, what is it? You can see it. It's a W. Or no, that's not the W. This is the coupe. It's the but it's the 126 series, and we have this one here. There was also a gray one, I can remember, but I didn't find this one here, which is a little bit of a pearl effect. You may see it because it's seeming a little bit greenish, grayish about the metal flakes. Well, let's get it also out of the box and let's put it on the turntable. So here we go. You can see it here now a little bit better. So it has really a weird effect about the color. So here we go. absolutely stunning. I also have this one in, well, in black and in red, and there was one more color. What was it? Yeah, the gray, of course. I was just saying it and then I've already forgotten about it. And there will also come a blue one. I haven't seen this one, and it's already out for a couple of weeks. Well, maybe we are also getting soon the restock, but well, so that's it. Yeah, just let me know what's your favorite. And well, Wojtek, thank you very much for this kind gift. That's really amazing. And so to everyone else here, yeah, visit Wojtek's channel. So at Wojtek Labuk or Wojtek Labutz, I don't know how to pronounce it. Once again, I will write it here. Yeah, and yeah, check out his channel. He's showing also different models, different model cars, die-cast cars, like Hot Wheels, Matchbox. I don't know, do you have Matchbox? At least he has, of course, Hot Wheels, but also some premiums and some even bigger scaled models, such as from, I don't know, but I'm remembering the scale 1 to 18 as the biggest. Maybe he has even bigger ones. Well, check out his channel. So thank you guys, and of course girls, for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.